Hi, I'm Daniel from Swiftly Shutters, and today I'm going to show you how to fit a shutter.
Right, what do we start with then?
Hello everyone. So, every shutter has a frame that goes inside the recess. So, they're all boxed up. So I'm just popping the insert strips out. Where the insert strips are, you can see the holes for the screws. So the screws go into them holes, or you can make your own holes, it's up to you. Insert strips afterwards, once the job's done, simply just pop back in.
Lovely.
Screws all covered, nice and neat. We're connecting the frame together now.
Yep.
These little plastic.
Lovely.
Pop them in. The other frame goes on top. Again, we put the top frame on, side frame, and that's the single frame together. And then we put the post, and then the doors. Now we've got the T-posts. They go in line central of the windows. They're all re-grouted out already for the screws to go in. Pops in on the top. And then we just screw them up, keep them in place. Yeah, can you see the gap there?
Yep.
Runs up to nothing. And the gap again. So that's quite common on big windows like this.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll level it up and then we just seal it all with a white decorator's caulk anyway. Has to go in level, otherwise the doors won't open and close.
And to get it level,
Yeah. But with the recess, like I said, if it runs out, depending how big the gap is, if it is pretty big, then we can put battens in there.
Mm-hmm.
But something like that, we just seal it anyway. So, but like I said, this is this is pretty good. Perfect, really. Once you seal it all, it'll look strong. So the panels just pop in. We'll put the pins in. It's very easy to come out as well. Just literally pull it out. So if you want the new windows or anything like that, pop the panels out, take the frames out, and you can refit them as well. And then these posts, you can knock them over as well. See where the gaps are there, just take them up. The doors should sit like that. If it was a bit wonky, it'll tell you it's wonky. It's fine. And if you want to move the doors up and down, just literally adjust it with that.
Oh, I see, they give you a bit of leeway.
Yeah. Can move up and down like that.
And if you want to lock them in place, they've got the extra.
That's the extra locking screw. So locking screws afterwards, once you've got it all in. So these posts are moving around a little bit.
Yep.
So it's not screwed in yet, so we're just getting them in just like that for now. Then we get it all completely level and screwed in. Okay, so now we've got all the 4 panels in. What we do is level them all up now. So for example, that door has gone straight in. This door is hitting the top of the
Yep.
post there. So that just needs adjusting with the hinge and moving over. This one again hitting the post, so that needs to be moved over slightly. And this one, that one's alright. So once all that's sorted, we screw it all up and then we seal the whole of the frame. This panel here,
Yep.
it's slightly hitting this post. Bring this post over slightly. So it's even now to the gaps. And now we do the same for this side as well. So now that all the doors are adjusted, I'm happy with how it all looks level wise. Now we just seal it up. White decorator's caulk. This just gives it a nice finish. There's no gaps. And it's my favourite part of this.
Why's that?
It's just easy. And also the doors as well with the slats. Just I always go over just to check if they're some of them can be loose or tightened over time. So there's a little screw there. Hold the slat, tighten it or loosen it. Now we're just putting the cover strips in. Just hides the screws, that's all.
Lovely.
Gives it a nice finish. Very simple, slight little tap. You don't see no screws now. Nice finish. And that's how you fit a shutter.